All right. How are we doing today?
We're doing good.
Doing good? Man, you guys look pretty fancy. What's going on?
Nothing, we are just excited to do skydiving.
Skydiving! Yes, that explains those super fancy suits you're wearing. All right, man. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
Just meeting up after a long time.
All right, so get together. Friends, family, loved ones. All right, sounds like a great reason to jump. Whose idea was this? Oh man, if anything goes wrong, we know who to blame.
Yeah.
All right, ain't nothing gonna go wrong. You look ready, I'm ready. Let's go get it. Up top, boom, boom, boom. Woo! Everybody up there.
Yeah. Oh, I was free falling. Oh shit.
Now I put us into a 0G.
Oh.
Get a good piece. What's up?
What's up, man? This is so
skydiving, how you feeling?
I feel energetic. I feel I've been missing out this all my life, and I definitely got to do this again.
You gotta do this again, right? Absolutely. Dude, you killed it. You did so good. What was your favorite part?
The 0Gs. Oh my god.
You like the zero? You like
You asked me to lift up. It was a trial. I lifted up, and it was like we were falling free. That was
yeah. All right, man. Thank you so much for jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs. Yeah.
Yes.
Woo!